So in today's video, we're going to be looking at some extremely viral Facebook ads. Now, I'm not just talking like a couple hundred shares, a couple hundred likes, and some, few comments. I'm talking really viral, like extremely viral, tens of thousands of likes, comments, and shares type of viral. Each one of these Facebook ads could have generated hundreds of thousands of dollars, if not maybe even seven figures for some of them, because you guys will see some of these Facebook ads have hundreds of thousands of comments. So for today's video, I have 9 viral Facebook ads right here up on my laptop, all set up, ready to go. I'm going to go through every single one of these Facebook ads and explain what makes this ad so viral, why it's working so well, what are some of their best selling points, if they're all doing something similar, which maybe could be a reason why they're all super viral, how their store set up, their marketing angles, all of that. All the good stuff I'm going to be going over in this video, so stick around because it's going to be a good one. So as you guys know, I give away one free consulting call every single video. So today's consulting call winner is right here. Congratulations, you have won. Just message me on Instagram with your number and a time you want to set up a call, and we will set up something and have a 30-minute consulting call about whatever you want. Guys, if you want to win a free consulting call, all you have to do is 1, be subscribed, 2, like this video, and 3, comment ECOM, E-C-O-M down in the comments below, and you are entered to win a free consulting call. It's as simple as that. By the way, guys, we just hit 10,000 subscribers on this channel, so thank you so much. Thank you so much. It means the world to me. I really enjoy making these videos, and I love the feedback that I've been getting. And now that we just hit 10,000 subscribers, I am more motivated than ever to keep posting, so I'll be posting more often. So guys, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Quick announcement before we start this video, guys. For some of these products I'm going to mention in this video, some viral products, my sourcing agency, Dropship Agent, is actually sourcing a couple of these products, and we're getting as fast as 5-day shipping time. So if you're interested, if you're selling a product and you want faster shipping time, you're sick of AliExpress, the 1 to 2 month shipping times, message me on Instagram or click the third link in the description for Dropship Agent. You guys will see it in the description. It's the third link. It'll say Dropship Agent sourcing and then a link to that. If you go to the bottom of that page in the link, you'll be able to fill out the application at the bottom of our main page and get quotes for the product that you're selling. 90% of our clients that switched to us got a better price from us than they did with their previous supplier selling on AliExpress or their sourcing agent or whatever, and they're pretty much getting 2 times faster shipping on all the products that they're selling. The only requirement is you need to be getting 20 plus orders a day to get quotes from us. That's our only requirement. If you're getting 20 plus orders a day, perfect. Myself and 2 of my partners will even personally help you scale your product one-on-one. We can get you custom packaging, we can get you custom labeling, we can change the language on the product, we can get you faster shipping. We'll completely automate your fulfillment process. You won't have to worry about ever exporting orders again. The only thing you need to do is pay the invoices we send you, and everything else is taken care of. Tracking is implemented automatically. All your customers are getting their tracking codes automatically. Everyone is happy. And that's just Dropship Agent. We're growing super fast, and I'm so happy. And a lot of people are switching over to us. So if you're interested in getting quotes from us, like I said, third link in the description, go to the bottom of the page, fill out the application, and we will get you quotes within 24 to 48 hours. Just wanted to mention that really quick, and I'm back into the video. So now that we covered that, let's get right on into the video, and let's start looking at some of these ads. All right, so the very first ad is right here. You guys can see the page is called Star Trek Fans, which is pretty interesting. The page has 2,768 likes. But this ad is literally just a simple photo ad. They don't have a description on their ad. They don't have any text or anything like that. It's literally just somebody modeling their t-shirt. And you guys can see right here, it has almost 300,000 likes right here. Wow, 299,000 likes, 28 comments. This ad is doing very well. So it's literally just a shirt that says, "That's what I do. I drink bourbon. I hate people, and I know things." And it's just a bear drinking bourbon, hating people, and knowing things. So it's a cool product. The shirt kind of speaks for itself. It's a really just funny shirt, and if you drink bourbon, if you like bears, and if you hate people, and you know a lot of things, then this shirt is for you. So just the simplicity in this ad alone is super crazy. There's no description. It's just buy now, and then a link right here, which isn't a bit.ly, it's a cut.ly link. I've never seen that. The website is called TShirt. Now it must be like a print-on-demand store or something like that. This store looks like it's pretty popular. They have over 1 million views a month, and now it's almost 2 million actually. It's gone up since February. It's doubled since February, so that's crazy. But they're selling this shirt for $21. They've got sweatshirts, they've got bags, they've got backpacks, which is really smart. If you're selling a product, let's just say you're selling a t-shirt and it's working very well, and you're getting a lot of sales, why not make a backpack version or a mug or a sweatshirt you can charge even more and make even more on? So they're hitting all of those different points. They've got tank tops, they've got sweatshirts, bags, everything else right here, which is really smart, because maybe you want a t-shirt, okay, you have the option to get a t-shirt. Maybe you want a sweatshirt, you can get that. Maybe you want a backpack, maybe you don't want to have it on your shirt. This is the first ad, really cool. Insane amount of engagement, 300,000 likes on one single photo on their Facebook ads. So I can't even imagine how much traffic that has brought into their site. Now moving on to the very next product, you guys might have seen this product before. I'm gonna play the video right here. This was super viral, I think in like March and April. It's a light with jellyfish in it, and they're obviously not real jellyfish. That would be illegal. It's fake jellyfish, and it's got like a little stream of water recycling pushing up from the bottom, and it kind of goes off the sides and then down up top. And that gives a jellyfish the illusion as if they're moving. So it looks like two jellyfish that are lit up swimming inside a lamp, and that's the whole source of the light. Super cool product. It just grabs your attention. You could be scrolling down on Facebook and you see this lamp and it's got jellyfish in it that are blue and purple, and they're lighting up and they're just flying around here, swimming around. That's going to be a scroll stopper. It's a really big scroll stopper. Their ad is very simple, not a lot of description. The most satisfying jellyfish mood lamp. Order yours here and then the link. Very simple description, not very long. But if you look at the engagement, guys, 66,000 likes, 15,000 comments, and 31,000 shares. So this ad has generated at least $500,000, I bet, in revenue, just because of the amount of engagement alone. Now the product that they're selling, they have a really cool, unique product page. So you can see right here, it's, you know, they've got really high quality images up above. They've got a shop now button right here that I assume brings you down to the bottom of the page where their offer is. And it shows, you know, the ocean's pulsation from the comfort of your home, blah blah blah, reasons why you should have it, frequently asked questions, why do I need it, very important, order details, what's the difference in size, how does it work, are the jellyfish real? Let's see what that says. The jellyfish are made of silicone. They just look like the real ones. So obviously not real jellyfish. And what's in the box?
What's in the fucking box?
Two jellyfish, the aquarium, and a USB cable. So they give everyone who's wanting to buy this product absolutely all the information they need to answer any of their questions that they may have that would prevent them from buying this product before. So now that they have all of their questions answered, right here at the bottom of the page, they have the different options of pulsar lights that they can buy. So there's the mini, the max, and the ultimate. $40, $60, and $80. So the margins on this are pretty darn good. We're not going to be going over margins and like looking at the AliExpress version and then going back to the site because that's just going to take too long. But just know the margins on this are very good, at least 20, 30 bucks. Their reviews are really good. Their reviews have a lot of good photos. They've got kids smiling with it, cats for sizing, different colors. That's the second product right there, Pulsar Light, multi six-figure product for this one store. All right, so this, it's basically like a spray bottle where you can spray your grass growing chemicals or grass growing whatever, seeds or whatever that is. You know, their description once again is also very short. They just have a couple get it here links, and then it says just the ultimate solution for a luscious green lawn. So all these ads so far have very simple descriptions, not a lot of text in them, and they just ultimately want to get you to click on that little link, bringing them to your site or bringing you to their site. That's a theme that I'm seeing with all these super viral Facebook ads so far. They just don't have a very lengthy description, which is something to, you know, keep in mind. So this has 53,000 likes, 31,000 comments, and 23,000 shares, which is a lot. So, and they're just selling a spray bottle product that lets you spray grass onto your lawns. They're selling this for $28.97. I'm not sure why they wouldn't do $29.95 or $20. Maybe they've tested different price points and this is what's working best for them. They've got an upsell, which is great. I didn't see a lot of upsells on the other sites, so they've got upsells because this isn't like an expensive product. So obviously they're gonna make more money if they can sell more than one of them to their customers. And also, if I were them, I would upsell this one little grass growing bottle. If you have a big backyard, maybe you need more than one of these bottles to cover your whole backyard. So I'd make sure the customers know how much space or how much square footage this little bottle covers, and then I would let them say, hey, if you have a bigger backyard, buy more of these. Here's a bulk discount, and voila, you just made an extra 20, 30 bucks per your order. They've got urgency right here. They've got a huge guaranteed safe checkout, which is a little bit bigger than I think they should have. They've got PayPal, all these different Norton, McAfee, Visa, credit cards, which is great. I mean, it's great, but it's just fat. That's massive. So they got real-time visitors on this site. I don't think 157 people are actually on this site right now. They could be. I mean, that ad's popping off. Like, I could be wrong. I could very well be wrong. Let's see, they've got some gifts down here of some lady smiling. She's just so happy to be spraying her lawn. Different before and afters, which is great. We've got the dimensions of the product and then the reviews. So a lot of 5-star reviews, a lot of cool photos. Happy dog right there, and that is a good product. That's exactly what we're looking for. All right, moving on into the next product, guys. This is a cool one. This is pretty unique. The page is called Get Pro Ear. Now, this might be a little nasty for you guys, but it's also a very short description. They're just saying basically this ear endoscope comes with a camera. You can clean your ear. You can see everything in there, and this video is pretty nasty, but it's showing you guys people being able to see inside their ears. So this ad has 29,000 likes, 30,000 comments, and 17,000 shares, which is a lot of engagement. Let's click on their shop now button and see what they're selling this for. Page is called Pro Ear. They're using the Brooklyn theme. I can see, just so you guys know, there are apps out there that allow you to see other stores' theme names. So if I wanted to see what theme the store is rocking, I could click right here and boom, yes, it is a Shopify store. And it says theme export lemontrim.com. So I assume there's another website out there called Lemon Trim. And now I know Pro Ear is the same owner as Lemon Trim. So just make sure when you're installing your theme, you don't have a name that gives away a lot of information that you don't want to give away. Click shop now and see what they're selling this for. I'm assuming maybe like $29, $24. Click shop now, it'll load. So they're selling this for $29.99 for one endoscope. They've got an upsell right here. Buy 2 for 10% off, buy 3 for 20% off, and 3 for 20% off. I bet this product costs like $5, $10. So the margins are pretty darn good with this product, and especially if you can get them to buy more than one. They've got a very short description. Wow, that's wild. They've got literally, this is their whole description. No photos, no GIFs, nothing like that. That's something I would suggest they change. I mean, it's working. Obviously, right now it's working for them. They have a whole bunch of engagement and they're making a lot of sales. But if they want to increase their conversion rate, make even more sales, make even more money, I would definitely give them a little bit juicier of a description just to show why this product is beneficial for them, why they need it, ways they can use it. Give them a video or a GIF of somebody using it, like in the video we just saw, the ad. Maybe give them benefits to why cleaning your ear is good for you, why the buildup of earwax is harmful and can cause headaches or something like that. I don't know. Do some research on it. I'm sure maybe there's some kind of correlation to like the amount of earwax you have or something. I don't know, but look it up and use that as a selling point. There's so many different ways you can sell a product, so many different angles. So just make sure you're trying to test every single angle to see which one works the best. All right, moving on to the very next ad. This one has a lot of engagement right here. You guys can see 238,000 likes, 128,000 shares, and 44,000 comments. This one is absolutely going bonkers. I believe this is a 7-figure ad right here because 128,000 people shared this video. They've got a pretty interesting page name. So this is a portable washing machine. You guys can see right here, it pops up, you put water in it, and you plug it into a wall or something like that, and it washes your clothes. So it's pretty self-explanatory. This video doesn't have any captions, but it does a great job at explaining what the product does, its functions and all that kind of stuff, how you can bring it down into a smaller form. And now this page also has a short description. It's fantastic folding washing machine, save space, blah, 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 and then their buy now button right here. So not like a huge link and then 5 green check marks and then get yours link right here. Very short description. So let's check out their website. Let's click shop now and see what they're selling this for. The product they're selling right here is the ultrasonic folding laundry tub 2020. They're selling this for $70. So that's a pretty good profit margin right there. And now they have this one right here, which is a smaller version or a different type of washing. I assume if I scroll down, I can find it. So, all right, so they've got some trust badges. They've got reasons why it's good. They've got a 3-year warranty, shipping worldwide, 7 to 15 day shipping, limited stock. They've got urgency. They've got gifts. All right, so they've got a very long description. Really cool. We ship directly from a warehouse in 12 to 48 hours. All right. So interesting product, good selling points, very juicy description, and a lot of engagement, 238,000 likes. Moving on into the very next product. This is also a print-on-demand product, and it is just a simple photo ad. The page right here is called My Heart Forever Gift. Now, their description is also really short. Guys, why are all these super viral ad videos descriptions very short? Maybe because they work. I don't know, could be. The description literally just says what the t-shirt says, which is 2020, very bad, would not recommend, and then 1 star, and then get here. Super simple. Now guys, this ad has 752,000 likes. 752,000 likes, 30,000 comments. That is an insane amount of likes. That's crazy. Let's click shop now and let's look at their actual product page. So their store is called Old Man Cloth Store, which is a unique name for sure. Now this also is a print-on-demand site. This isn't Shopify, but you can do this on Shopify. That's why I'm including it. And it's the same thing as the first product we just saw earlier. So it's a t-shirt, very simple. You know, what you see on the t-shirt is exactly what you get. Very easy to communicate. Now they have t-shirts, they've got sweatshirts, they've got mugs, they've got banners, they've got tank tops. which is great because that's something for everybody. Maybe you're a muscle man like me. There you go. This is actually a woman's tank top. That's a guy's tank top. So really, really smart product, guys. This kind of plays into everything. Definitely a t-shirt that I'd want myself personally. I mean, 2020 has been a crazy year, and I'm sure you would get a lot of laughs and a lot of smiles out and about wearing this one t-shirt. People asking you, hey, where'd you get that t-shirt? They've got a lot of upsells right here. 10% off if you buy in bulk, or if you combine products. They've got related products right here. 2020 is canceled. 6 feet away. These t-shirts are really cool and they appeal to a lot of people. Limited edition, not found in stores, adds some scarcity to it, makes it even cooler. Product details, shipping info, and that's all they have right there. Super interesting product, very, very funny, very easy, and it appeals to a very wide audience. So that's why it's doing so well. And it's kind of like a meme. That photo is just like an entertaining photo. Like, everyone's gonna agree that 2020 is not the best year out there. So, I would like that photo if I was scrolling through my Facebook feed and I saw this ad. It's just a really cool, quirky little photo. Fantastic ad, super simple. Once again, very short description. That's all you need. Now moving on into the last product, guys. The very last product. The page is called Beat Goo 2, which is a weird name, but you guys can see right here, 36,000 likes, 3.8 thousand comments, and 15,000 shares. So a lot of engagement, not as much as the 760 something thousand likes we saw earlier, but this product is really cool, solves a problem. You can add a whole bunch of different grains, nuts, salts, all that stuff in there. It's a dispenser pretty much. It dispenses your kitchen spices or whatever you want to put in there. So now the first 3 seconds of this ad has a really good attention grabber. Woman opening up a cabinet and then all these things spilling out right in front of her, and then it shows a solution, which is the product. So that's why I think it's doing so well. Once again, and we're going to see this is a trend for this video. All of these really, really popular ads have very short descriptions. Now, if you're making an ad, try testing a short description. Try not doing what everybody else does right now, which is like 2 sentences up top and then like 5 green check marks and then reasons why it's cool, and then a get yours link down below. So let's click on learn more. They've got a learn more button, interesting, instead of shop now. They have the Brooklyn theme. It's called Beat Goo. Very, very weird name, but it's working. I guess it shows that you don't need to have a pretty fancy Shopify name. Don't think too long about naming your store, because Beat Goo's outselling you and they're called Beat Goo. So they're selling a cheaper version, and then the one they're actually selling that we saw in the ad was the upgraded version, which is $60. So the cheaper one, the dispenser, if I scroll down, I think I might see it, is this right here. It's this little small one. So I assume this maybe costs $3, $4, and this one costs maybe $15, $16, maybe even like $20. So the profit margin for the upgraded one is like $40. The dispenser is probably like $20, but it's doing very well. They've got dynamic checkout. They've got all these different trust badges. It's breakfast time. They got, this is really cool, gifts. This is such a weird photo. It's like stretched out. But they're doing a great job selling this product, and it's working very, very well. All right, guys, that sums it up for today's video. I hope you got to see some great examples, and hopefully these videos and these ad examples help you out in the future when you launch your own ads. Most of these products solve a problem, which is really, really important. Try out shorter descriptions. Try doing what these people are doing, because obviously it's working so very well for them. You want to model success. If it's working for them, there's a really good chance that you can get it to work for you if you kind of take their ideas and model it and use that as inspiration and do something different, but with the same concept. If you're interested in an A to Z program, my course is the first link in the description. I have a full list of everything in there, so it's completely transparent. What you see is what you get. There's nothing hidden. It has been getting some amazing results, so I'm super, super happy with everyone who's in there right now. I have had no negative feedback. Anyone who enrolls has access to me 24/7. They can ask me questions whenever they want, and I'm here to help you out. That's the whole point of it. So you get a lot more than just the actual course. Now, that is the first link in the description, so if you're interested, check that out. I also have a free Facebook group. It's called Ecom Giants. We have a whole bunch of people in there, and everyone just works together. They'll give you feedback if you have any questions, if you want your store reviewed, all that stuff. Ecom Giants. That is, I think, the second link in the description, so check that out. And that's pretty much it for today. So guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. So that sums it up for today's video. I will see you in the next one. Peace out, be safe, and have a good day.